continuing today. This should have kept going. In other words, Wisconsin would be a separate country. Separate continent, I should say. That did not happen, unfortunately, because what happened was that Grenville event that was happening in the east, that collisional event, Amazonia, basically shoved Inner Laurentia back into that rifted piece that was coming out. And it froze it, and it aborted the rifting. And so this kind of popped things back up to the surface by this compressional event. And the result is what we see around the Lake Superior region are these rocks. The green are all the lava flows that were filling that trough. The browns are the intrusions that never made it to the surface, but now erosion has exposed them. And then this pukey yellow-green color, which is supposed to be a nice yellow color on my screen here. These are the sandstones that had buried those lava flows. And then they were brought back into sort of juxtaposition with each other by these big faults. This is called the Keweenaw Fault here, the Isle Royal Fault here, the Douglas Fault here, that brought the basalt from depth up closer to the surface. And then erosion has kind of planed things down to what we see today, okay? Again, although we still have Wisconsin with us, as a result of this aborted attempt at ocean basin formation, and which would have made the Twin Cities and Duluth a seaside resort instead of sitting in the middle of the continent, this has been a good thing for geologists, because now in the Lake Superior region, we can study these rocks that tell us how continents break apart. It's all there. You can go, when you drive up I-35 to Duluth and you come to Midway Road, you'll notice the highway climbs to a higher elevation. You're looking at the very edge of the lava flows right there. You can go to the base of that slope and put your hand on the very first lava flow that erupted, of tens of thousands of lava flows that filled that rupture. Same thing up here, up by Grand Portage. You can put your hand on lava flow number 1. Down here by Ironwood, Michigan, you can put your hand on lava flow number 1. And then there are tens of thousands that piled on top of that over 30 million years. Over here in the east part of the lake, Michipicoten Island, we've gotten the youngest date from the lava flows there. And so that kind of gives us our window of how long that magmatic volcanic